All right, we are getting so close. I've been doing a bunch of work, haven't been filming it, just kind of been busy trying to knock it out. But last night we were here till like 11 o'clock at night at the shop. Got my whole cab, hood, tailgate all resanded down, hit it with some scuff stuff and Scotch-Brite, washed it all off so it's all clean, ready for paint. We were hoping to paint it tonight, which is Thursday night after work, but just a lot to do after work and there's some stuff that wasn't ready. So last night I bodyworked my roll pan, primed it, blocked it this morning, and there was just a few more spots that I had to take care of. So I'll show you that. Just a couple lows that I had to fill with some glaze. So we're gonna do one more coat of primer. That's gonna take care of all those. We'll block that out tomorrow, and then it will be ready to clean up the bed, get rid of all the residue, make sure it's all nice and clean, and we will be spraying some paint. So I'm not sure if it's gonna be a weeknight or if it's gonna wait until this weekend so we have all day to mess with it. So stay tuned. Big Ron's been getting down on this thing. He's got his secret weapon. That's gonna make it straight. Getting this thing painted here soon too, so we're stepping it up, guys. Coming back in the game. What's up, guys? It is Saturday morning and today is the day we're gonna get the final color clear sprayed on the brown truck, so it's gonna be sweet. Got a ton of work in front of us. You can see here, I got the hood and the front end of the truck in the booth. It's gonna be a couple hours of masking here, but we're gonna get to it and get some color on here. So hours have gone by, but we are finally almost ready to get started painting. Got this thing masked up all the way. Still gotta wipe it down and start spraying our sealer and our base. But in the other booth, there's parts everywhere. I'll go show you that. Oh man, look who just stopped by. Showing off his new rig.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet. It's a 98, not 12 valve.
Oh.
It's got these 17-inch ultras, also from 98.
Let me see them lights, boy.
Let me crank them on for you real quick.
Your fuel tank gap is tight.
That's for 110s, actually.
Ooh. Who's a chicken? Oh my goodness. Are you guys seeing this right now? Because this is real life.
That's what they eat beef.
Oh man. If you guys see this truck on the road, you better just pull over.
Check out the power seats. Side adjustment.
Ooh. Oh yeah, this is a winner for sure. What are we gonna do to it though?
I think it's had a Compounds S364 and
are you just talking shit right now?
Yeah, I'm some brown with some skulls.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, doors shut good.
Look at that.
Real good.
Well,
you guys would think this is clear coat peeling. It's actually patina. It's the newest trend. It'll be at SEMA this year. I painted on some fender flares. They're pretty nice.
well, we look forward to seeing some more. The crew came in, helping me out. Finally. What'd you do?
Some covered shit, really just prepping it. Just covered head to toe in dirt.
Finally. Look at that. Making it happen. All right, all the parts are wiped down. Getting ready to hit them with our first coat of sealer. As you can see, it is a mess in here. There's parts everywhere. You think it ends and it doesn't. There's more up here. So it's already dark outside. Let's get to it. time for some base. We're using the Metalux. It's kind of a base grade paint, but the paint store hooked us up with it for free, so we're not going to complain. It's going to do exactly what it needs to do. So let's go mix it up and spray some base. Got base on everything. It's looking nice and even. We're just letting it set up a little bit, even though it's probably already pretty dry. We've got to unmask the stripe here, then start clearing. So it's looking pretty good. Sprayed the underneath too, that way it'll be all fresh. Overall, looking pretty good. Just an old farm truck. Everything is cleared. Used up every ounce of that gallon of clear on this thing. Planning on cutting and buffing it, so I really wasn't even worried about the finish, but it actually laid out like glass, I guess you could say. I don't know. What do you think?
Pretty glass, dude.
Got my lights up in here. Stripes looking good.
Stripe looks so nice.
I'm ready to see it in the sun. It's gonna be gangsta. Got the mirrors looking good, handle, grille, did a little third brake light action, upper pad, bumper, lower pad. The roll pan's looking good too, nice and smooth. Let's go check out the cab. Oh, big rump, bust out the sun gun. Let's hit her with the rays. I don't know if y'all can see that on the camera, but yeah, it's gonna be gangster. That's here's the cab, looking good. Tailgate's looking smooth. Hood is looking good. Back cowbell's a little dry. Not really worried about that. Alright, we're gonna let her set up tonight and pull her out tomorrow. Parts everywhere. The clear is definitely still soft. So we're gonna let this stuff bake out here in the sun. I can unmask these headlights, reflectors, maybe start putting it together. So just a waiting game now. So that was earlier today. It's Sunday. The clear was still too fresh to put anything together, to do any polishing, so we decided to wait. We don't want to rush it. We're gonna let it hang out and set up, and probably tomorrow, which is Monday, we'll start doing a little more work on it. But for now, I got the lights behind me. I'm gonna start putting those back together, and I'm gonna have a whole video on taking those apart, painting them, putting them back together. So be on the lookout for that as well. So that's gonna end this video, and I'll catch you on the